In this tutorial, you will learn how to install ABC iView on Google TV. Hi everyone, in this tutorial, you will learn how to install ABC iView on a Google TV device. I'm using a Chromecast with Google TV, but you could be using the all-new Google TV streamer, the Sony TV, a TCL TV, or something similar. If your device doesn't match this tutorial, I have other videos in the description down below for other devices. Or if you can't find the tutorial for your device, you can message me on PayPal and request a tutorial. As you can see on my Google TV's home screen, so we can go to the app section to get ABC iView, but I find using the settings is more reliable. So let's do that now. Press the right button and select the settings icon on the top right of the screen. And then press the select button. Press the down button until you get to apps. And then press this select button. We have the Google Play Store on the screen now, but you may not. So press the down button and select See All Apps and press Select. And press the down button until you get to the Show System Apps and press Select. And press the down button until you get to the Google Play Store and press Select once the Google Play Store is selected. Then press Select to open. And now we got the Google Play Store. And as you can see, ABC iView is already on my screen, but it may not for you. So press the up button, press the left button, press the down button, press the right button, and now the keyboard has come up. So now we can type in ABC iView. So go ahead and do that. So now we've typed in ABC iView, we can use the arrow buttons and select the magnifying glass and press Select. And select ABC iView and press Select. And then press Select to install and wait for ABC iView to install. ABC iView is now installed. Press the Home button. We can go back to the app section and we can see that ABC iView is now there. This shows your installed apps. And as we see, for me, ABC iView is the only one there. So press the Home button. And now we can see ABC iView is now on our home screen. We can press the down button 3 times, 1, 2, 3. And that brings up the installed apps on the home screen. So that was how to install ABC iView on a Google TV device using the Google Play Store. I used a Chromecast, but you could have used something else. If you need more help, you can contact me on PayPal. You can send me a message and I can help you solve your tech problems. If you want to support the production of these videos and you want to get something for it, I have an online store where you can book a one-on-one session with me, or you can download this video, or you can even get an ebook based on this video. If you want to watch another video, there's now videos on the screen now, and thanks for watching.